The demand for at-home recovery tools has surged as people prioritize wellness in their daily routines. Interestingly, this trend has caught on with typists and gamers who suffer from poor circulation and desk fatigue after hours of sitting. This guide evaluates the top foot massagers and spas based on their motor switch type, rugged build quality, ergonomic basin layout, and overall long-term value for your relaxation.
Product number 1. Pogged Foot Massager Machine with Heat. When I first unboxed the Pogged Foot Massager, I realized this is a different beast entirely compared to a water-based spa. This is a dry massager that utilizes an Upgrade 6 airbag system. Handling it, the machine feels incredibly solid and premium. The layout features 2 foot-shaped caves lined with soft, removable fabric that you can wash, a huge plus for hygiene. In terms of real performance, the 29 nodes deep rolling action is intense in the best way possible. It targets the arches, heels, and toes simultaneously, while the airbags provide a rhythmic compression that mimics a professional masseuse's hands. I noticed the heat function is subtle but effective, gradually warming up to soothe stiff muscles. My favorite part is the 3 intensity levels. I usually start on low and move to high as my feet adjust. If you want a deep tissue, dry massage that you can use while wearing socks at your desk, the Pogged is the ultimate professional grade choice.
Product number 2. Homedics Bubblemate Foot Spa. The Homedics Bubblemate is the quintessential entry-level foot bath for those who want simplicity. When I held it, I was struck by how lightweight it is. It's easy to carry from the sink to your favorite chair. The layout is genius for relaxation. It features a toe touch control button, meaning you never have to bend over and get your hands wet just to toggle the bubbles on or off. Performance-wise, it produces a steady stream of invigorating bubbles that feel like a gentle, effervescent cloud around your feet. I noticed the splash-proof rim actually works. Even with the bubbles on high, I didn't end up with a puddle on my hardwood floor. While it doesn't heat cold water, its heat maintenance feature does a decent job of keeping warm water from cooling down too quickly. It's a high-value pick for anyone on a budget who wants a reliable, basic soak to soften skin and relax after a long shift.
Product number 3. Medical King Foot Spa with Heat and Massage Collapsible. The Medical King Collapsible Foot Spa solves the biggest headache of foot spas: storage. When I pulled it out of the box, I was impressed by how it collapsed down to just a few inches tall. Despite the folding design, the build quality feels remarkably sturdy once it's locked into the upright position. This model comes with a remote control, so you can adjust settings without interrupting your zen. During my testing, the heat function was the standout. It actually heats the water to your desired temperature and holds it there. I noticed the jets provide a nice whirlpool effect that keeps the water moving, preventing cold spots. The included pumice stone is a nice touch for DIY pedicures. My favorite part is the ergonomic layout. The basin is deep enough to cover your ankles, which is where a lot of us carry our tension. If you live in an apartment and need a full-featured spa that can hide under a sofa, this is the one.
Product number 4. Medical King Foot Spa Massager with Jets Premium. While similar to the previous model, this premium Medical King version feels like it was tuned for a more active experience. Handling the remote, I noticed the interface is snappy and responsive. This unit features integrated massage rollers at the bottom that allow you to manually target the reflexology points in your soles while the heat and jets do their work. The performance of the jets is what sets this apart. They create a consistent bubbling action that feels great around the toes. I noticed that the heater is quite powerful. It reached 118 degrees Fahrenheit relatively quickly. The build quality of the collapsible silicone is thick and didn't show any signs of memory wear after being folded and unfolded multiple times. This is the perfect middle ground for someone who wants the convenience of a remote and the portability of a collapsible design, but doesn't want to sacrifice the power of a real heater.
Product number 5. Bainilai Collapsible Foot Spa. The Bainilai Foot Spa offers a very practical, user-focused design. When I unboxed it, I noticed the 6 non-motorized rollers are positioned perfectly to hit the heels, arches, and balls of the feet. Because they aren't motorized, you have total control over the pressure. I found this much more comfortable for my sensitive arches than some of the aggressive mechanical versions. The performance is bolstered by bubble jets that provide a soothing oxygenation to the water. I noticed the layout includes a sturdy handle, which is critical when you're carrying a gallon of hot water across the room. The build quality of the heating element is impressive. It maintains a very stable temperature throughout a 20-minute soak. My verdict? If you want a simple, collapsible tub that gives you manual control over your massage intensity while keeping the water nice and hot, the Bainilai offers fantastic value for the price.